Are you wondering if Nintendo Switch 2 already has got a screen protector installed, and do we maybe even need to purchase a screen protector for this device? So I have good and also bad news. Basically, yep, there is actually a kind of a screen protector already installed on the Switch 2. But it's actually not really meant to protect basically the screen, so it's simply meant to be acting as another layer of the screen. So essentially, so under the screen again, basically, so we actually have the actual like glass display, and over it we have like a layer of like plastic film. Essentially, I have seen basically one guy already trying to peel it off essentially. So again, I actually do not suggest you to try to do that, because again, it's actually like almost like a part of the actual screen, because it's simply put over the screen. So in case you actually bang your switch essentially and something breaks, so it simply prevents basically the glass shards from flying at you. So again, if you drop it and smash it essentially, so again, they simply do not want basically some glass chips to flying around, and they simply have like put over like a very like great quality screen protector over the screen. So again, if that happens, basically the screen protector simply catches all the glass and nothing really happens essentially. So, and should you actually install like additional screen protector over this one? So well, yep, I can highly suggest to do that, because for example, I literally have had this console only for a few days, and I'm not sure if you can see. So it's a bit dirty over here, but yeah, basically I actually already have quite a lot of scratches basically on the screen, and again, I have had the console only literally for a few days. So again, so the protection basically isn't very good. So, and I think with time actually the layer basically that has been installed will get like very messy essentially, so very soon. So again, kind of be careful, because again, I think there is like very little protection basically from this thing that has been actually installed over the actual screen. So in case basically your screen protector gets messed up, again, I suppose you could actually like try to remove it, but again, maybe check some other videos from other people how to do it properly, because again, it's like mean to be like forever on essentially, but still. So you can kind of, I guess, remove it and replace with another screen protector, so if yours wears out. And if that happens for me, I guess I would probably do the same. Anyway, good luck.